Why learning digital marketing for free can make you mad? I've been learning, practicing and teaching digital marketing since 2008. In the last 14 years, I have seen all the innovations when it comes to selling digital stuff, and I can tell you this. Learning digital marketing for free today in 2022 is possible. Indeed, you have much free information available, but there are tons of different solutions and variables at your disposal. So, if you have zero money but a lot of time available, keep watching this video because I will guide you where to learn digital marketing for free and where to focus your attention on if you want to get tangible results. And if for any reason you will get overwhelmed, I have another and more rapid solution for you. So let's go! My name is Max Cecco, and I teach you the skills and mindset to turn your knowledge or someone else's expertise into a 7-figure business. If you like my content, subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. If you want to learn marketing for free, the first step is to know which skills to learn. Indeed, you can find everything for free on YouTube, Google, TikTok, Instagram, and so on. These social networks are full of marketing content. Digital marketing involves many skills. For instance, copywriting, how to sell by using the written word. Funnel marketing, how to craft the proper communication and the infrastructure to sell your product or service. Video marketing, how to reach millions of people by leveraging the power of videos. Social media, how to use social networks to build your authority and distribution channel. SEO, search engine optimization, how to let your target audience find your blog or website on Google, and obviously it is a simplified explanation of SEO. Paid ads, how to use the most important advertising platforms to spread your message thanks to paid traffic. Facebook and Instagram ads, TikTok ads, Google ads, YouTube ads, and so on. Then we have sales, how to sell and close a prospect over the phone or in a one-to-one selling conversation. Email marketing, how to leverage the power of emails to sell anything to your subscribers. For every skill I have just mentioned, there are different sub-skills. But let me be very clear, I don't want to scare you, but guide you to learn what I consider today the most important digital marketing skills and even in the years to come. With that said, whether you want to create a strong brand by selling your expertise or helping other people sell their experience via digital products or services, I highly recommend focusing on developing these 4 main skills. 1. Copywriting. 2. Funnel marketing. 3. Packaging information. 4. Social media authority. The question is, why these skills? Because no matter what you sell, these are evergreen skills that anyone should master today to become successful. When you possess these skills, you can work with everyone in this world in the next 20 years. Indeed, everyone needs someone to help and educate them on sharing information, building an audience, and selling through the internet, period. With that said, where can you learn these skills for free? First of all, I highly urge you to subscribe to my YouTube channel because it is already full of complete guides on how to develop some of the skills I have just mentioned. I'm committed to building my social authority by sharing a minimum of 1 video per day for the next 5 years. And my information is absolutely updated and comes from my experience. You can find different playlists for each topic mentioned before, and I highly recommend consuming my content starting from today. In addition, if you want to know more about every specific topic, I highly recommend using YouTube and searching for additional information. There are tons of tutorials and videos available to learn practically everything in this world. And I didn't have this possibility 14 years ago. At the same time, it is difficult for a beginner to identify who to trust. Everyone can shoot a video, but very few people teach what they preach. Then, I want to let you know that I love consuming content on TikTok as well. It is a great platform to learn everything you want, such as YouTube, but it is more focused on small tips and tricks. As I told you at the beginning of this video, there are some cons to learning digital marketing for free. At a certain point, it could be overwhelming and it can discourage you from continuing this amazing path that will let you be free for the rest of your life. If this happens, trust me, it is normal. It happened to me too, especially at the beginning of my career. For this specific reason, I'm creating a special 12-month program to help people like you learn the most critical digital marketing skills I have mentioned before. You can find all the details of this program by clicking the link in the description below. Moreover, I highly recommend watching this video right now. How to start a business online without money in 2023 for aspiring entrepreneurs. In this video, I shared with you exactly the steps you should follow to succeed in digital marketing in the years to come. So, watch it now.